Hey everybody, gonna get down with some Stock Lock Sunday here. Got a Slaymaker Super, and this is the SL2 keyway, I guess is what it would be called. That's the blank it takes anyway. I did impression a key for it, and it's not perfect. You gotta pull it out and wiggle it around and whatnot. So chucked it into the brass bucket, and I don't have any more of those key blanks, so I'm just not going to have a key to this lock, which probably means I won't end up keeping it, but. Anyway, I've got a 5-wafer lock here. Top of the keyway business here. And we'll use a Peterson gem in 25 thousandths. And the first wafer, second wafer. Hard time getting under the third wafer. I just use whatever pick is sitting around. Maybe I need to get a different one. We'll try this one. Okay, first wafer. Second wafer. Already open, so must have set a couple with the shaft. But anyway, so that's a Slaymaker Super. It's I guess single wafer picked, as the case would be. And I guess I might post another Stock Lock Sunday video today, possibly. I do got a lot of stock locks laying around. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that'll do it for now. And we'll talk to everybody later.